How to connect Razorpay to your Wix website. So this is one of my Wix website and I just want to add Razorpay to my Wix website. So on the first page, if you didn't add it, you set up your payment method, then here you can just set up your payment. If you're not getting this option, then just go to the get paid and here you will get to see a lot of option and you can just go to the payment settings, right? So for example, I'll just go and click on set up payment here. Now it will just take a few seconds to load. Of course, you need to select your country. Razorpay is mainly used in some of the Asian countries like, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. These are the countries. And here, as you can see here, it automatically showing with the Razorpay. So it's all dependent upon your country. If you don't find it, then of course you need to change your country location. And if I just go to and select United States, of course, I'm going to get the option of Stripe. So make sure you select and get to this Razorpay option. And here you have to just go and click on connect. Enter your Razorpay credential in the form below, right? So here you have to just go and click on create a Razorpay account. So these are the three information which you need to add. And first of all, you have to make a Razorpay account. So let's say I will just go and click on create a Razorpay account. Although I have made my account, but it's really easy. You have to enter your email address and your country and just continue with how you can just make it, right? And once you make it, the dashboard will look like this. This is a home. It will show all the orders you have received, refunds and everything, right? So to connect it, you have to go to the account and settings. Once you're here in the account and setting, you have to go to the website and app settings, and here just go and click on API keys. Now you will notice one thing here. They are asking me the key ID. So the key ID is available here. I will just go and click on key ID and paste it here. This is a key secret. So the key secret can be only available once you click on regenerate live key and you will get the key secret, right? And make sure that you're stored in a live mode. And of course, this is a secret key, so that's why I can't show you. And here you have to enter your store URL. So whatever it is, www dot whatever your store name.com, .in, .co, .uk, once you edit it, and once everything you have added each and everything, make sure just go and click on connect. That's it. So you need to enter all this three information here and just go and click on connect. In just few seconds, your store will get connected to your Razorpay and it will show each and every data, whichever orders you will receive, the payment will be received in Razorpay. Right? I hope you found this video very useful and got to know how to connect Razorpay to your Wix website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.